Good afternoon, everyone. So, as we were talking about the pregnancy and the parturition, we will continue with this. And yesterday also we were talking about that what are the changes occur into the female reproductive organs. So, now today we will talk about that how much female will increase the body weight during the pregnancy. So, and what are the changes occur in what are the metabolic or what are the physiological changes occur into the pregnancy into the female. So first thing, female will increase 12 kilogram weight during the pregnancy. It is about the average. It is 12 kg is average weight which is gained by the any pregnant women. Or in book they are also given that they will matlab they are also given like how much uterus will weight gain, or how much amniotic fluid will increase. So, and they will given into the book. So next we will talk about the metabolic changes. So what are the metabolic changes occur into the female or pregnant women? So BMR, basal metabolic rate, it is increase in the secretion of the various hormones, especially thyroxine increase the basal metabolic rate by about 15% in the later stage of the pregnancy. So increase in the secretion. So basal metabolic rate into what changes occur into the basal metabolic rate. So into the basal metabolic rate there is an increase into the secretion of the hormone, various hormones like in female like estrogen, progesterone. So this hormone will increase, and especially like thyroxine hormone will increase into the basal metabolic rate, and it will increase about 15% in the later stage of pregnancy, like into the third trimester or after the second trimester. Second is protein metabolism. So the anabolism of protein increases during pregnancy. Second, positive nitrogen balance occurs and the deposition proteins increase in the uterus. So into the protein metabolism, first thing that protein increases during the pregnancy. Second is positive nitrogen balance occurs. So due to as the protein will increase during the pregnancy, the nitrogen balance with protein will be occur. So positive nitrogen, which is known as the positive nitrogen balance, so it will occurs, and the deposition of the protein increases into the uterus. So as the nitrogen balance, as the nitrogen will produce, so due to that protein will started deposit, and this process will occur into the uterus. So that's it about the protein metabolism. Second is carbohydrate metabolism. So into the carbohydrate, blood glucose level will increase leading to the glucosuria. So as the blood glucose level will increase, which is known as the glucosuria. Second is ketosis develops either due to the less of food or more vomiting. Ketosis. Ketosis means it is lack of the nutrition into the body, like it is due to the less amount of food she will intake, or it is mainly about the more vomiting that has been done by her. So due to that ketosis will be developed. Second is because of all these reasons there is a hyperplasia of the beta cells of islets of the Langerhans in pancreas, leading to increase in the secretion of the insulin. So due to that, due to all these reasons, like ketosis will be developed, or due to the glucosuria, the hypercilia will be occur. Why hypercilia will be occur? It is due to the secretion of the insulin. So insulin secretion will be done by the Langerhans cells, which is situated into the pancreas. So due to that this hyperplasia will be occur. Second is, in spite of this, there is a possibility of the developing diabetes in pregnancy or latent diabetes after the delivery. So as the insulin will be started secreting, so due to that diabetes mellitus will be occur during the pregnancy, which is known as the diabetes in pregnancy, or second latent diabetes. So after the after the delivery it will recover automatically, so which is known as the latent diabetes. Second is fourth changes occur into the metabolic changes is lipid metabolism. So during pregnancy there is a deposition of about 3 to 4 kg of fat into the maternal body. So deposition of the fat will be occurred into the body, female body, and due to that it also increase the blood cholesterol level and the ketosis. So due to that lipid metabolism will be changed, or it will be increase or decrease sometimes. Fifth changes occur into the body is water or mineral metabolism. So as you all know that water is the main component or main substance that we have to take into our regular life. So during pregnancy also the same thing, that water and the minerals are the main intake that female has to take during the pregnancy also. Now during the first trimester, the estrogen and the progesterone which is secreted by the corpus luteum, and after the 3 months it will secreted by the placenta. So these hormones will increase the retention of the sodium and the water into the renal area, and due to that secretion of the aldosterone will increases into the during the pregnancy. So as the retention of the water and the sodium will be occur, so due to that aldosterone will be started secreted increase in so due to that aldosterone will be started secreting. Second, aldosterone in turn increase the reabsorption of the sodium, in turn increase in the reabsorption of sodium from the renal tubule. So as I said that aldosterone will started absorbing sodium from the renal tubules, and apart from that water and the sodium retention, there is a retention of the calcium and the phosphorus will be occur into the renal area. So due to that this water and mineral has to be maintained. So second thing will be occur is changes into the physiological system. So what are the changes occur into the physiological changes? So first is blood, second cardiovascular system, third is preeclampsia, means there are so many changes occur into the body during the pregnancy. So first is, in every system of the female's body there are some physiological changes has been done, or it has to be done during the pregnancy. So it is all about the changes into the physiological. So as I discuss about the metabolic changes occur during the pregnancy. So in next video we will talk about the what are the changes occur into the physiological system. So that we will see into the next video. Thank you.